Hello traders, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's lesson we'll be putting in everything we have been learning, we have learned through this mentorship. So let's begin. First, each new week what you do is to move over to your weekly time frame and mark out the range that you are in. This is what you have to do every week, and same goes to every new month. You have to check your monthly time frame to know the range the market is in. Same thing goes to daily 4 hour. So after you have marked out your weekly range, you don't need to do that. Check your weekly range again during that week until the next coming week. That's if you wish. But for me, as long as you have marked out your weekly range, no need of checking it, because you have already known where the market will be heading to. So here now, after you have marked out your range high and range low, and I guess you guys have already known a valid swing low and swing high. This low is valid because it has two preceding candle by the left, 1 2, and also two preceding candle by the right. And the high is also valid because it has two preceding candle, 1 2 by the left and also 1 2 by the right. So that is how to know a valid swing high and swing low. So after you have marked this your weekly range, as you can see, the weekly is bearish in range here. I'll be using this range that I marked as an example. The weekly is bearish here, and I've done what? Broken structure. So what you'll be looking for is what? A way to trade this retracement. So what you have to do is to move over to your daily time frame and mark out the daily range as well. And here is what the daily range high. I'll use that as black, and this weekly low range is also daily range low. So what did I tell you guys about liquidity? That when a higher time frame breaks structure, the next time frame that is lower than that one, any high or low depending on the direction of the market, will serve as liquidity. Did you see what happened here? Weekly broke structure, bearish, and this is daily previous high. As for me, I was on this trade. I've already known that this high is not going to be respected. This high is going to serve as liquidity because weekly broke structure, and any previous high that is in daily will serve as liquidity. And this is what price did. Price swiped that high. Did you see it? Most traders, even pro traders, don't know this that I'm teaching you guys here. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I see no reason why you haven't done that, because what I'm giving you guys here is good. What I'm sharing out here is what other mentors are hiding from you guys. So make sure you subscribe and like my video after watching them. So after you have marked your daily range, this is your daily range high, and here is your daily range low. The next thing is to go to your 4-hour time frame. Go to your 4-hour time frame and wait for what? Change of order flow. Sorry guys, I didn't add order flow in this mentorship, but after this video I also teach you guys about order flow and also other things that you guys need to become a profitable trader. So that is why you need to make sure that you are following this channel. That this is the last video of the mentorship doesn't mean that after this video I'll stop creating valuable content that will make you guys profitable. No, this is the last topic of the mentorship. Any other video that I'm creating is what will help you guys as well in trading. So as you can see here, 4-hour is already what, bearish. This is 4-hour previous high here. This is 4-hour previous high here. I'll turn that one as pink. What you have to do is to wait for price to do what, to change from this bearish order flow to bullish order flow. So 4-hour is bearish. What's happened? Price now did what? Change from bearish to bullish. So here will now be your 4-hour high, and this low, this same low that is weekly and daily low will also be your 4-hour low, because this low here doesn't have, okay, sorry, here will be your 4-hour low, because here has 2 preceding candle by the left and also 2 preceding candle by the right. It has 1 1 2 by the left and also by the right 1 2. So here will be your 4-hour range low, and here will be your 4-hour range high. So 4-hour changed from bearish to bullish here. The next thing to do is to bring out your fib to know your discount level where you will be buying from. You measure from the body candle, not the wick, to the high and also the body candle. And as you can see, this demand here is at the level of that fair market value. Just like I told you guys, any demand, the best area to buy from if you're in a bullish market is to buy from any demand that is below that 50% fair market value price. So this demand here is at that 50% equilibrium level fair market value. So I won't be using this one. I'll be looking for a demand that is below. That will now make me to do what, go to a lower time frame and search for that. I now moved to my 1 hour. To search for a lower demand. Same thing goes here that I taught you guys about liquidity. What's happened here? 4-hour broke structure. This is 1 hour previous low. Did you see what happened? Price liquidates it, didn't respect it. This low as well, took it out. This is why, make sure, if you haven't watched my video about liquidity, make sure you watch it. You really need it. Once a higher time frame breaks structure, just know that the lows or highs in the lower time frame will serve as liquidity. Yeah, let me give you easy ones that you need to keep. If a weekly time frame breaks structure, let me say a bearish structure, just know that daily previous high will serve as liquidity. Take note of this. Then if 4-hour breaks structure, let's say a bullish structure, just know that previous 1 hour low will serve as liquidity. Yeah, just take note of that. So that is why I told you guys I won't be using this demand zone here. And the demand that I used to enter this trade was in 15 minutes, and I got it here. That is how I got in on this trade then. And this is also, you guys have already known about entry. This is what you have to wait for. Once price got to that demand, you wait for this in your lower time frame. First change of character, you can enter there, or you can wait for a trend confirmation, then you now enter and ride the trend. That is it, guys. Trading forex, yeah, forex is not easy, but with the right strategy it's easy. Forget about what you have learned from the past. Just practice what I've been teaching you guys in this mentorship. Give yourself like up to 7 months, back test, forward test, do demo trading. You will see this not magic. It works. This is the way I trade. And as you can see here, let's go to the daily time frame. Did you see what happened here? Price kept on doing what? Buying until it swiped that daily previous high. Why did price swipe that high? Because that high is where most unaware traders will be looking to sell from. Why the ones just like me that is teaching you guys here, I've already known that price won't respect that high. You'll be doing what? Buying until price swipes that high. But first, to take how to take profits if you are to enter this kind of trade, this will be your first TP. Yeah, because as a trader you need to pay yourself. That 4-hour high will be your first take profit. Yes, and your next second take profit will be that daily supply zone. Yes, just because you have known that price is going to swipe this daily previous high doesn't mean you have to hold trade until price swipe it. There is sometimes price may not swipe that high, so that is why you need to pay yourself at this supply zone here. So your first take profit will be the 4-hour previous high. Your second take profit will be your that daily supply zone. Then your third profit will now be that high if price is able to reach there. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys learned lesson in this video. Please make sure, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, because the more you guys are appreciating what I'm giving you guys out here, I will be motivated to give you guys more secrets that you guys haven't known about forex trading. So that will be all for this lesson. Make sure you practice, backtest, forward test, and also whatever god you are worshiping, pray for wisdom, because wisdom comes from God. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I wish you all good luck and good trading. Bless.